Welcome to MSc Biology. We'll see what is cytoskeleton, structure and function, and its three components, cilia and flagella, application and CSIR NET questions. What is cytoskeleton? Cytoskeleton is a network of protein fibers which is present in cytoplasm of eukaryotic cell. The main function of cytoskeleton are it maintains cell shape, provides mechanical support, helps in cell movement, and also helps in movement of organelles and vesicles. And during cell division, formation of spindle fiber takes place and it maintains cell polarity. The three main components of cytoskeleton are 1. Microfilament, 2. Intermediate filament, and 3. Microtubules. Let's see about microfilament. Microfilaments having a assemblage of special protein called actins. The diameter is 7 nanometer. It is the thinnest cytoskeletal filament. The single filament exists in the form of network or in the form of bundles. The functions are it shows cytoplasmic streaming, that is flow of cytoplasm. Next is amoeboid movement. Muscle contraction is possible due to presence of special proteins called actin and myosin. Cytokinesis takes place. Cytokinesis, division of cytoplasm occurs after nuclear division. Formation of cellular extension, formation of pseudopodia takes place. Formation of pseudopodia takes place because of microfilament. It maintains cell shape. Important point what you remember with respect to microfilament is assembling protein actin and motor protein such as myosin, which is very important for contraction of the muscles. And microfilament is your smallest thin filament. All these points you should remember. Next is intermediate filaments. It has a diameter of 8 to 12 nanometer. It is very tough and rope-like fibers. They are very stable and shows non-polarity. These filaments has two major functions, namely they stabilize cell structure and they resist tension. In detail function is they provide mechanical strength and stability. They anchor nucleus. Lamins of nuclear lamina are a form of intermediate filaments. These filaments connect desmosome to the adjacent cell. Microtubules are long, hollow, unbranched cylinders having diameter of 25 nanometer and they show polarity, that is positive and negative end. Especially they are made up of assembling protein, special proteins called alpha and beta tubulins. They originate from MTOC, that is microtubule organizing center or centrosome. The main functions are they show intracellular transport, chromosome separation occurs, mitotic spindle formation takes place because of these microtubules. Formation of cilia and flagella occurs. It maintains a cell and cell organelles shape. Proteins use ATP energy to move materials inside the cell along the cytoskeleton are called motor proteins. The motor proteins are myosin. It is a special protein along with actin filament enables muscle contraction and cellular movement. Next is kinesin. It works on microtubules and moves vesicle towards positive end. The other protein is Dynein. It works on microtubules and move towards negative end. It is responsible for cilia and flagella beating. Difference between cilia and flagella. The length of the cilia is short whereas flagella is long. Cilia is more in number whereas flagella is less in number, less or very few in number. Cilia shows back and forth movement whereas flagella shows whip-like movement. Function, cilia moves fluids mucus over surface of the cell whereas flagella moves entire cell from one place to another. Cilia and flagella has 9+2 arrangement of microtubules. 9 pairs of microtubules are arranged outside in the form of circle or cylinder. The two single unfused microtubules are present in the center. This structure is called axoneme. This helps cilia and flagella move the cell or move fluid over the cell surface. Basal body. It is present at the base of every cilia and flagellum. It is made up of 9 sets of 3 microtubules, that is 9 triplets. It anchors cilium and flagellum to the cell. It helps in the formation of cilium and flagellum. This basal body is structurally similar to the centrioles. The pattern will be 9 into 3 plus 0. There is no single microtubule in the center. Importance of basal body. It provides structure needed for movement. It is essential for cell movement and movement of fluid. It allows cilium and flagellum beat in a coordinated way. Centrioles. Centrioles are small cylindrical organelles found near the nucleus in animal cells. They help in the formation of mitotic spindle during cell division. Centrioles are structurally similar to basal bodies of cilia and flagellum. Microfilament is made up of actin of 7 nanometer diameter. Intermediate filament is of 8 to 12 nanometer. Microtubules is of 25 nanometer. And microtubules is made up of alpha and beta tubulin. And basal body has 9 triplets, 9 into 3 pattern. And axoneme has 9 plus 2 arrangement. Let's see previous year questions on this topic. Which cytoskeletal element is involved in muscle contraction? The options are intermediate filament, microtubule, actin filament, and keratin. The answer is actin filament. Actin along with myosin enhances muscle contraction. Next question. The dynein moves towards. Options are plus end, minus end, both ends, and cell membrane. The answer is minus end. Next question. The structural protein of microtubules is. Options are actin, tubulin, keratin, and lamin. The answer is tubulin because microtubule is made up of alpha and beta tubulin. Next question. Axoneme as. Options are 9 plus 0, 9 plus 2, 13 plus 2, and 8 plus 2. The answer is 9 plus 2. We have come to end of the topic. Thank you. If this is helpful to you, please subscribe my channel.